Let's see the connection. The black one, the minus side, the black one, the red one, the plus side, and this green one connect to the earth. It's very important. And this one connect to the NC and connect to the PE of the opener. And this yellow one is the relay, the first and the fourth connection. You can see this part connection. The green wire is also very important. If it do not connect to the earth, this wire do not connect well, the infrared resistor, this function will do not work. So we must connect to the earth. Today we will take a video to test the infrared sensor and the opener, how the connection and how they work. You see, we use red color for the plus side connection, the black for the minus side connection, and extra black color for the PE from the opener, and also the infrared sensor of the NC. You see, this is the closed position. Okay, try again. Up position, open.